thanks for joining me here at Living It Country today. Today I want to share with you all my 2019 Farmhouse Christmas tree. And this year I actually decided to challenge myself. I decided I was going to decorate my Christmas tree with ornaments and pieces of decor and just things around my house that I already have. So I was going to spend $0. And you might think to yourself like, oh, I only spent a couple bucks here and there on adding ornaments or decor to my Christmas tree. But if you think about it, I personally will walk into Walmart and I might get a pillow or two, or I'll get an ornament, and by the time you leave, it ends up being $40, $50, and you don't even realize how much you're spending. So I decided I was gonna focus on different areas of my home and decorate them and spend $0. So this is what my Christmas tree looks like, and it's actually a lot different than last year. I'm gonna link to my 2018 Farmhouse Christmas tree decorate down below so you guys can compare how it's different but also similar at the same time. So I decided not only was I gonna use signs, but I was also gonna use ornaments, and then I was gonna use things like quilts and blankets down below and kind of fall in love with the pieces of decor that I already have. Sometimes it's really easy for us to look at other people's Instagrams or YouTube channels and be like, oh, I love that piece. And although that is perfectly fine, sometimes you just need to fall in love with the decor that you already have and somehow spice it up a bit, change it up a bit, and just love what you already have. I am doing this because 50 bucks, that's money that we could put into our home somehow. That's paying off, $50 more of our mortgage, and even saving it for our kids' future. So there's so much that we can do with whether you think that's a little amount of money or a lot. To me, that would be a lot, but just loving what we have. And so I want to share with you guys kind of an up-close look at our Christmas tree, share with you the pieces, and if you do want to purchase one of these items and maybe do a low expense Christmas tree decorate with me, I've got you covered because I've got a couple of pieces on here that are really affordable. So let's go ahead and get a close-up look to our 2019 Farmhouse Christmas tree. Here is an overall look at our farmhouse style, a bit of country Christmas tree. I am not done decorating the bottom part. I think I'll add like a cute little red mailbox, maybe this barn right here. Got my lovely little hairband. But I am gonna decorate this wall right here. I'm gonna put a Merry Christmas sign that I have that I got from Michael's last year, 75% off. And then I've got a big, huge 100-year-old red barn door that I'm going to DIY and have it hold our stockings because we don't have a fireplace yet. And I'm gonna start down below. Okay, so last year I DIY'd this, and this is a galvanized metal tree collar. And I DIY'd this. I'm gonna put that video down below in the link so you guys can see how I did that. But it ended up costing me, I think, like $10, $14. If you don't wanna DIY it, Walmart came out with almost the exact same one that I made right here this year for super affordable. They didn't copy me or anything. There was already ones out there like that for like $100, $200 or something ridiculous. But if you guys want one, they got them at Walmart. Then below, I just decided to put a red buffalo checkered blanket because my tree collar is actually too small, and you can't tell, but it's too small, so I tried to hide the fact of that so I could get away with it. Over here, I just have this darling little milk and cookies sign. I got this from a local shop called Field Notes in my local area. And then I just have, I don't know if you can see it, but it blends in super well, but it's this beautiful garland, and it's got little presents on the end and little mittens. It's really cute. Love it. But Field Notes is one of my favorite shops in my local town. I really like it. I love shopping local, not only because it's important to shop local, but I love it to get inspired, to be there visually, because those small shops just know how to decorate. They know how to get you inspired. Okay, let's see where we want to start next. So a lot of these pieces, so I'm gonna start with the signs because you guys haven't seen these yet. So I have a Holly Jolly. I like this one because my name is Holly. And I've got this family one. And you guys, these would be so easy to make. The Be Merry. I got this from a shop called Pole Barn Primitives. That is in Grand Mount, Washington, right next to the Great Wolf Lodge, but unfortunately they closed. It was such a darling shop. I think they moved to Texas, so if you live in Texas, look up the owners of Pole Barn Primitives, or Pole Barn, I think it was, I don't know, but so, so cute. And then I have these adorable little signs, joy, peace. Where's my other one? I have another one. Oh, there it is, and snow. And my sister-in-law, Nikki, she made these for me last year, and then she made me a Live in a Country sign, which I have in my cabinets over here. So I have to incorporate those because they go perfectly, and I have to always add a touch of family to my Christmas tree, and I just love them. It goes, I am having like a red and white and black vibe going on here, so I love that. So sweet of her. She does calligraphy, and she's amazing at it. I love it. Then I have a lot of Hobby Lobby ornaments, and you guys, oh, back to these big signs. These were like $5, you guys. These are just pieces of wood. They did hang it with metal right here, and it's just so simply done. It would be such an easy DIY. The next thing I have over here, let's see. This is from, Pretty Sugar. I have the Farmhouse Christmas right here. They sent this to me about 2 years ago, and then I've got one right here. I love it. And then we have a ton of beautiful Hobby Lobby ones. If I don't tell you where it's from Hobby Lobby, and I got these anywhere from $1 to $2.50, and I love them. This little Merry Christmas one. Noel. They have so many good ones, and they have these this year too, and I'm pretty sure they're 50% off, you guys. I'm gonna show you one of my favorites. This metal barn one is a Hallmark one. My mom found that. And then this one too. How cute is this? And then I just decided to take some red and white ribbon and just add that in there for just a little pop of color. I don't know if I'll keep that. Ooh, I forgot to tell you guys, right up here, this is a Michael's ornament, and I took off the string and I decided to put it up there as a tree topper. Now last year, some people weren't too happy about that decision. They thought I should have the star, but I could put this star right here. But that was the only thing that kind of just fit perfectly. There's a hole up there where I can put it, and I'm okay with that right now. I think it just looks absolutely cute, and I like it. And this is not my only Christmas tree, so I'm okay with that. I've got 3 other Christmas trees I'm going to be decorating, so I will put a star on some of those for sure, just so everybody knows. And then these cute ones, these are from Walmart, and they came in a set of 4 or 6. Little truck. But you guys, that's my Christmas tree that I decided to do. Not spending a dime. I hope you guys love this video. Let me know in the comments below, how much is your budget for decorating your Christmas tree? And are you guys gonna take up the challenge to decorate your Christmas tree with things you already own and just fall in love with your decor again? I would love to hear from you in the comments below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful start to your Christmas season. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later on Live in the Country. Bye-bye.